Hey guys, this is Rodion and I'm here with Seymour Paint. We wanted to talk to you about Big Rig. Big Rig is one of our toughest and most rugged paints. Big Rig is the perfect choice if you're dealing with like rugged outdoor environments, vehicle frames, really protecting any metal surfaces. Application is really simple. It lays down super well. It doesn't run. It is a high solids formula, so it's going to give you really great coverage, and one can is actually going to go a long way. When you're choosing a paint option for your next project and you need it to be durable, you need it to be resistant to oil, gas, resistant to abrasion, so things rubbing up against on it, and protection from rust and corrosion, Big Rig is the solid choice for that. This paint does have a heat resistance to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so it actually will hold up to heat pretty well. Now, with any high solids formula, cure times is kind of going to be your #1 enemy, and that's really the only downside to this paint, is it does take a little longer to cure than traditional hardware store paint. That being said, once it does cure, it's going to develop a hard coat. That means it's going to be super durable, it's going to last for a very long time, and you will be surprised at how good this paint cures and how hard of a coat it forms. It's almost like a couple steps below powder coating, for example. When you're looking for a paint that's really durable, it's not going to crack, it's not going to blister, Big Rig, it should be your go-to. Now, Big Rig comes in 12 colors. With these paints, we also have a line of Big Rig primers that are specifically designed for this paint. It's going to offer you the best adhesion, the best protection possible. We also offer a rust converter in a 20-ounce can within this line. It's a great solid choice when you need to chemically change surface rust in those hard-to-reach spots. It's going to change that rust into a paintable black primer. It does an incredible job at protecting and prolonging the life of your equipment or whatever you're painting.